You are paying for ads, people are landing on your page, but they don't sign up. They don't book the demo, they don't buy. If that sounds familiar, the reason might not be the traffic, it might be the landing page. And today I will show you the 7 elements every high converting landing page needs, backed by real examples and what I learned launching hundreds of websites over at our design startup Magier. Before we break down the 7 elements, let's get clear on what a landing page actually is. A landing page isn't your About Us page. It's not your blog and it's definitely not your full website. A landing page is a focused, single-purpose page designed to turn visitors into customers. Usually people arrive there from an ad, an email or a social post. And the only thing you want them to do is take action. Sign up, book a demo, start a trial, whatever it is. The best landing pages remove everything that doesn't lead to that one goal and they focus on clarity so that the visitors don't get distracted. Most marketers obsess over traffic, but the reality is that traffic doesn't pay the bills. Conversion does. It's pretty simple. If your ads bring in 10,000 people a month and your landing page converts at 2%, that's 200 signups. And if you tweak your page and hit 4%, that's 400 signups. You literally doubled your results without spending a cent more on ads. And that's the exact reason why you should spend time and money on your landing pages, because they are one of the biggest levers in your whole funnel. But what makes a landing page convert well? The first and most important element, instant clarity above the fold. When someone lands on your page, you have about 5 seconds to make them understand 3 things. First of all, who you are. Second, what you offer. And third, what they should do next. That's it. If they can answer those 3 questions instantly, they leave. Forget slogans like, "We revolutionize digital solutions for the modern age." Say what you do. Example, sync Figma to Webflow. That's Webflow's message on one of their landing pages. You get it in 1 second. Clarity always beats the most fancy slogans. And the best test? Show your landing page to a friend for 5 seconds and ask them, what do we actually do? If they can't tell you, go back to the drawing board and fix it. Next up, the value proposition. Most landing pages talk about themselves. They list features, they list specs, but they never hit a nerve. Your visitors don't care about your features. They care about their pain. Instead of AI-powered analytics for SaaS companies say, stop guessing why users churn. Get the data that tells you why. That headline instantly connects to frustration, the pain of guessing. It makes people feel understood. And when people feel understood, they trust you. Your value proposition should make someone say, finally someone gets what I've been struggling with. That's when they start reading the next line. Now that you're hooked, you need a clear call to action. Sounds obvious, right? But you would be shocked how many landing pages hide their CTA or make it vague. Learn more. What does that even mean? Be specific. Start a free trial. Get instant access. Book a demo. That's what action looks like. And don't just put it once. You need your CTA visible at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. People scroll differently and you don't want them to be hunting for what to do. And if you want conversions, guide them. Don't hope for them. Element number 4 is the storyline. Every high converting landing page tells a story. It doesn't just throw sections at you. It guides you step by step through a logical, emotional flow. Here's the structure I always use. Hook, problem, solution, how it works, proof, and call to action. You start with the hook that grabs attention. Then you make the visitor feel the problem they are facing. Next up, you present your solution clearly and simple. And after that, you show how it actually works. You back it up with some proof so they can trust you. And finally, you ask for the action. When a landing page follows this flow, every section feels like the natural next step. And people keep scrolling. But when the order feels random, users drop off instantly and it kills your conversions. And as we were already talking about it, let's talk about element number 5, social proof. It's one of the most important things. Most people don't want to be first. They want to be sure. Show them who already trusts you. It can be logos, testimonials, reviews, user counts, or awards that you won. Clay is doing an awesome job on this. On their side, they are not only showing all these big numbers and cool logos, they also back it up with the actual case studies. In the end, social proof isn't bragging, it's reassurance. It tells visitors you are not taking a risk, you are joining others who have already said yes. Number 6 is great design. Most people underestimate how much design affects trust. If your page feels inconsistent, mismatched fonts, random colors, stock photos, people subconsciously feel like your product might be inconsistent too. Your visuals should communicate your brand personality and your value. Show your product in action. Show who it's for. Show the transformation your customer gets. Great visuals don't just look good, they make your offer feel real and credible. And when your brand and visuals feel aligned, conversion rates rise. And the last one is speed. A slow page is a dead page. Every extra second of loading time can drop your conversion rates by 5 to 10%. So cut out unnecessary scripts, compress your images, and test it on mobile. Because half of your visitors are on their phones right now. If it doesn't load instantly, they bounce instantly. Speed equals trust. Speed equals professionalism. And speed equals conversion. So let's wrap it up. Every high converting landing page includes 1. Instant clarity above the fold. 2. A pain-driven value proposition. 3. A clear and repeated call to action. 4. A smooth storyline and flow. 5. Social proof for credibility. 6. Great design. And 7. Fast, mobile optimized performance. If your page nails these 7 elements, I'm 100% sure it will convert. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and if you want a landing page that truly converts, head over to magier.com and book a demo with us. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.